step-by-step dog face trim. Today I'm showing you a dog grooming tutorial using a guard comb. A simple dog face trim technique that can really help beginners learn how to groom a dog's face safely.
For those who don't know me, I'm Elizabeth Jenn, professional dog groomer since 2010.
I'm going to start with shaving the top here. And when I say shaving, I mean clipping with the number 2 clipper comb here. And that is a 3/8 inch and 10 millimeters. So I'm going to do that for his head. Dad wants the face really, really short, and I'm going to get right down into the whole face with the same clipper here. Usually you don't see me using the comb, the guard comb all the way around, but I will be in this video here. So we're going to start right away. Guys, I'm just letting you know that you can become a member if ever you enjoy full grooms. See you there. Short. And I'm going to use this everywhere. Dad likes it all the same length everywhere. And I'm coming in from the back to the front to the nose. I will remind you, I don't come in and go down. You want to come in and go away, drop off like this, away from the nose. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back just a bit. From one dog to another, some dogs have more skin. I'll pull back just a little bit so that I can try to get as much as I can off the visor here. Okay, I will also do this on his ears. And I'm just going to go away from the pad this way. And do the same thing away from the pad that way. If you're enjoying this content, give me a like or a hype. Consider subscribing. I'll be here for any grooming questions you've got. I may want to fluff a bit. Oh, and that's even better. Away, coming off, always holding the ear leather. Same thing on this side. You don't want to ever come in this way because the ear leather can go right into there, and then that's when you can have a little accident there. Same thing on this side. Here we go, one side, always one side. Then the other side, we're doing like a crisscross method. It blends the hair nice and evenly this way. And crisscross, same thing this way. We're not looking for perfect, we're looking for shortening. We do the best you can with the dog that you have. Some dogs will let you do this, some might not. I'll finish off with my scissors. Next step, into the face. I'm going to do the same thing, lift the ear flap here, but I'm going to come all the way down to his neck. Now he's a 10 all over on his body, so I'm just blending everything in there. Remember guys, you don't have to catch everything because the rest will be finished off with the scissors. Okay, I'm going to come in right through his jawline here. Slowly. We'll be finishing off with the scissors here. Same thing on this side. Lift the ear flap, hold the head, bring down, go down. Lightly. Be careful of that eye. That's the corner of the eye is right there. And do the same thing. We're going to go towards the chin here, taking some off right underneath. Now Dad likes it nice and short. All the rest will be scissored, okay? I'm just contouring right now. It looks funny, but we're gonna fix it. So that's all I'm gonna use the clipper for. The next is scissoring. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside and start scissoring. You can start where you wanna start. I'll start here. Around his eyes here, I'm going to use my curves. The reason why I use my curves, you either use curves or you can use the scissors that have the little ball at the end, the little round. I don't have any. I don't have it anymore. I got to order some. But I like to use these, and these are curves, and I'll use the middle part of the curve. The curve will come towards me. So I'm just going to bring his head down, and I'm kind of using like the middle part because the blade is away from his eye. Now he's pretty good. letting me do this. So the rest I will use. I have these little tiny Kenshi shears. They're the 5-star. It's called 5-star. Are you done there? Are you done, sir? Okay, honey, we got to finish this. We can do that later. Finish that later. Bring his head down. Yeah, so you can get these scissors off of their website, kenshi.com. I think Kenshi or Kenshi Shears, I'm not sure. .com. I think it's .com. Anywho, so all I'm doing here is I'm just kind of rounding out, you know, getting rid of that edge that it created. And now I'm going to come in here, pull everything forward, and get rid of all of what's between the eyes. So I'm going to bring my scissors into an angle here. I'm not holding the scissors flat to the face. I turn my wrist. See, I'm turning my wrist like this. Turn your wrist and come in an angle. This way you won't catch any skin. So you stay in an angle. You only have one, you know, instead of being like this and you could catch the skin, you turn your wrist and you're cutting like this. Okay? You don't want to catch any skin there when you're doing the corners of the eyes. I'm going to take some off. I'm still keeping that wrist turned. I'm not going flat. That's just how I do it, and I don't cut the pup that way, okay? Again, taking just a little bit off here. Some clients asked for me to leave a little more hair on the top. Some want it nice and short. And as you notice, I do not blow into the dog's face to get rid of the hair. I just wipe it out or comb it out. I don't want any hair going into his eye and scratching his eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to do, you can go as short as you want here, or as long as you want. Just as you know, when it's short, they look younger, and when it's long, they look older. Because this head's a little, you know, it's a little rounder. Well, he's not going to really have a round head because see how I clipped everything here? He's going to be more of an elongated on the sides. So I'm going to use, I can use my curves here. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to go from the nose all the way to the back of the ear, keeping the mouth nicely closed. I'm holding his muzzle closed. I don't want his tongue popping out. Okay, and I'm going to come cut all of this, maybe lift the ear, cut all of that. I turned my scissors around to get into here. I don't want my scissors to poke there, so I just turned the scissors around. Does that tickle? That tickles. All right, we're going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to comb down, holding the muzzle nicely closed. He doesn't like that. He's not tied right now, so I don't want him pulling like that. Sit, your bum. No. Okay, so he doesn't like that I hold his chinny chin. All right. There. Okay, you're good. Now I want to clean all of this out. Now you need to be sure that you keep that mouth closed. They can slip their tongue out. What I'm going to use is curves again, but small curves here. You can use whichever scissors are comfortable. I'm going to use just to open up, I'm opening up just a tip like that. Helix again, you need to take that out. Kind of squish his little mouth there because I got to get rid of all of that because all of this hair here, you got to let me do it, honey. Hang on. All this hair can end up wrapping around his teeth and rotting his teeth. So getting rid of the hair is important. Little hairs is one thing, but especially when they're long like that. And before cutting, think. And you can feel if they want to start licking, so you got to be careful there. So let's fluff everything up from the sides here, and I'm just going to round everything out. Okay, and I'm going to do that with my thinners. I'm just going to connect the dots from the little muzzle here to the corner of his eye. I'm going to do it around here. We're just following the muzzle. We're just following the muzzle. Always come back and comb a little Follow the head, follow the muzzle. Whatever you see that you don't like, you just cut it out. There, it's one side. I'm going to fluff up here. Do the same thing. I'm going around here, and I'm going right to the eye. Okay. And I'm going to do a little bit on the top here. You're just eyeballing everything, guys. Eyeballing. Yeah, you got to just keep watching. Keep your eye on it. Keep watching, keep looking. And you look what is equal. And so I'm just going to fine tune all of this. And we're going to do his ears. Okay, so for his ears here, I'm going to just come and cut all around. The client really likes puppy ears, so what I'm going to do is I'm holding that ear flap. You got to feel for the edge of the ear there, the edge of the leather, and I'm just giving it just a little bit all around. I'm following that ear leather. He keeps turning his head, so you got to bring his head back. There's a reason why we do that, you know. We got to turn their head. It's because you don't want the angle of the scissors. You know, you don't want to cut the pup, so you really have to try to have some sort of handle on that head, okay? So a while ago, remember we clipped all of this? I'm just going to make everything nice and smooth and even. Holding the ear flap outwards. There. And I'm also going to do the inside here because he does have very thick hair here. So I just fluff that out, and I'm just going to get rid of this. If you want, you could shave it also. I'm good with the cut, just cutting. Often their ear's going to hold back like that, so you got to get rid of all these little scragglies here. Doesn't look too good. And pups usually, they're very ticklish around this area, so that's why he's shaking his head like that. That tickles him. Okay, and then the rest is going to be just fine-tuning just the rest of the cut. We'll do this side too. I'm going to show you again. Hang on, hun. So you don't want to pull on the ear. You want to pull on the dog's head. Bring him right back to you. I got to hold that leather. He's got really, really thick hair. See here, honey. We're almost done. Oh, there's a knot there, and that's fine. I'm just going to cut right through it. I don't want to have to brush that. Sorry. For a moment, I was just concentrated there. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. I'm not wearing my mask because I'm talking to you guys, but usually I wear my mask just to be sure I'm not breathing all of that in. But for a minute or so, it'll be fine. There. See? There. And then now we're going to fine tune. Oops, I got to do the insides too. All of that here. Tickle, tickle. Does that tickle? All right, so Gucci Gucci, huh? You did it. You'll want to measure between this eye, the eye, and this side too. You want to measure where the edge finishes. And see, I always tend to have this side always a little longer. So I always got to check to see. All right, so guys, there you got it. I'm just going to finish this here. There's some fine tuning I need to do. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. And you're invited to become a member to watch my full grooming sessions. And if you feel up to it, you can watch the next video in my Up Next videos right here. Till then, guys, bye for now. Bye!